Yeah. So maybe you just use star sign, you use dot, you do use extension. That's why initially when I started that how we store our document, I told you that we always give it a file name. And in a file name there is always a name which you can give yourself, you have choice. For example, you are making a flyer for, let's say, your church. You may give it name church flyer.
Okay.
Yeah. But the extension of that file will come automatically. Why? Because in the software which you are working, it gives its own extension. I mean, there are options that you can give your own extension also,
Yeah.
but as a default, it will give automatically its own extension.
Yeah.
So that is why it is being used, so that the data on the computer can be segregated, can be differentiated from each other, because a computer may not be storing only the Word documents or PowerPoint. It may be storing designing software documents, it may be storing Excel documents. So the extensions, file extensions are given to differentiate them, to keep them separate from each other, so that if somebody wants to search the data, he can easily search. It's just, for example, in a home, you have 5 children, and what you do, for each children, you make separate cupboards, separate almirahs, so that whenever a child has to go to search for his clothes or her clothes, she or he knows that where he has to go. Segregation, differentiation, it's management. So this is what they do. Like it's a management of data. They're giving different names, different extensions to different files. So only thing you have to understand in the search operation is when you're searching the lost documents. I told you very clearly also this, you have to keep in mind, if it is deleted from your computer, then you cannot find. But if it's still existing there, but somehow you forgot the name, or you forgot, maybe you remember, you don't remember full name, maybe you remember, oh, my document is starting with A. Then you put A, and for example, it is made in PowerPoint, then you put A, then star sign, then dot, then